Okay, welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from MyTonWallet to your favorite exchange. Well, this video is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to the extension and go to MyTonWallet here and press the send button. So you have to look for the address or domain that you want to receive the money. So you have to go to the exchange and press the deposit button. So once you're here, you have to select here TonCoin. So you press TonCoin, you select the Ton network, and then you have to copy this deposit address, go back to MyTonWallet, paste it, and then you have to copy this comment or memo that is very important because this is the way how you will be able to receive your money, and you paste it here, and then you select the amount of TonCoin that you want to send, and you can choose other coins that are available in the Ton network. So you press send Ton here, in a few seconds or minutes you will be able to receive that money here. So if this video was useful, please comment, share, subscribe, like, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.